Okay, so here's a shooting review on the Smith & Wesson M3000 shotgun and the Smith & Wesson M5906, I think, pistol. And I will be shooting at this target over here. I did it in about 10 seconds, so don't yell at me. So yeah, I'll be shooting about 30, 20, something like that feet away. It's about right here. Yep. And I'll be shooting both guns from there. So yeah, here we go. So first I will do the M3000 shotgun. Here we go. So that was it for the shotgun. As you can see, it's pretty accurate. And I will remind you, it is quite windy out, so it's a little windy, but it shouldn't affect it too much. Oh, and I am using .12 BVs because I don't have any .20s right now, because .12s came with the gun, so .20s might be a little more accurate. So now I'm gonna shoot the pistol. Oh, bullseye. Another one. And there you have it. I did get 2 bullseyes right down the middle, almost exactly in the middle. So again, this isn't from that far of a distance, so the pistol is good for this type of distance. It's only 165 FPS, but it did really well. But for long distances, it isn't the best. That's why it's a secondary gun. But I'd use a shotgun for long distances. Jeez, I can't say that. So yeah, it is a little bit windy, as I said, so I probably could do better, but well, there you have it. The shooting review of the Smith & Wesson M3000 and the Smith & Wesson M something something pistol. And as you can see, they're both accurate. Yep. See ya.